The situation with Betelgeuse is incredibly sensitive, and there's a growing concern that it could detonate at any time. The exact timing remains uncertain. It could even happen during this broadcast. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope made an unexpected discovery. Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star located at the shoulder of the Orion constellation, has experienced a stunning 250% increase in its brightness. This sudden change has sparked renewed interest in the possibility that Betelgeuse could soon explode as a supernova, though the exact moment remains unclear. Experts speculate it could happen in a matter of years. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of space, the potential explosion of Betelgeuse offers an exciting opportunity to gain insights into the life cycle of massive stars, especially red giants like it. Despite its somewhat unusual name, Betelgeuse is a star that most people have likely admired, as it shines with a brilliant bronze glow at the shoulder of Orion, one of the most iconic star clusters. Betelgeuse is a supergiant, so large that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, its outer surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. As a semi-regular variable star, its brightness fluctuates over time. This variability is not unusual in itself, but the recent dramatic increase in Betelgeuse's brightness has caught the attention of astronomers. On May 20, 2023, the star underwent an unexpected brightness surge, increasing by 142%, followed by another boost of 150%. These fluctuations are part of a larger trend that has elevated Betelgeuse to become the seventh brightest star in the night sky, up from its usual 10th place. In the southern hemisphere, it is especially visible, shining brightly in the night sky, and is easily spotted within the Orion constellation. Dr. Sarah Webb, an astrophysicist from Swinburne University of Technology in Australia, emphasizes that Betelgeuse's erratic behavior presents a unique opportunity to study the final stages of a massive star's life. When Betelgeuse eventually explodes into a supernova, it could potentially shine as brightly as the full moon, casting shadows for up to 7 days. This spectacular event has both amateur astronomers and professional scientists eagerly awaiting what could be one of the most extraordinary cosmic occurrences in modern times. Heidi Morris, a researcher at Los Alamos National Laboratory, highlights how this ongoing interest in Betelgeuse's variability mirrors patterns observed throughout history, as ancient civilizations also recorded changes in its brightness. Currently, Betelgeuse's brightness cycle is significantly shorter than its typical 400-day cycle, now occurring roughly every 130 days. These rapid shifts provide scientists with a rare opportunity to observe such behavior up close, shedding light on the complex and unpredictable nature of dying stars. The unusual changes in Betelgeuse's behavior first became noticeable in 2019, when the star ejected a portion of its outer atmosphere, marking a shift in its behavior. While this has sparked theories about an impending supernova, predictions from experts like Dr. Dupree and colleagues suggest it may take another 5 to 10 years for Betelgeuse to return to its normal cycle. Despite its erratic behavior, the star remains a massive red supergiant, undergoing the final stages of its evolution as it exhausts its fuel. This will eventually lead to a gravitational collapse, possibly resulting in the formation of a black hole or a neutron star. However, some astronomers believe Betelgeuse may take far longer to explode. NASA estimates it may still be up to 100,000 years before the star detonates, providing some relief that its explosion is unlikely to occur within our lifetimes. Despite these uncertainties, Betelgeuse's ongoing transformations continue to captivate researchers, helping to advance our understanding of stellar evolution. Dr. Webb advises us to remain open to various possibilities, even as the likelihood of witnessing Betelgeuse's supernova in our lifetimes remains low. By continuing to monitor its behavior, scientists hope to unlock further revelations about the universe and the nature of stellar evolution. It's important to remember that the light we see from Betelgeuse is over 600 years old, meaning that the star could have already exploded, and we simply wouldn't know it yet. While this is a possibility, it's not a certainty. History has shown that astronomical predictions can sometimes be appended. Before 1987, astronomers believed that only red supergiants could explode as supernovae. That year, however, a blue giant star in a distant galaxy exploded, surprising the scientific community. This event highlighted how much there still is to learn, and Betelgeuse, along with other massive stars, offers a unique opportunity to expand our understanding of stellar life cycles. Whether or not Betelgeuse is on the verge of a supernova, its current behavior remains a fascinating subject of study. Its rapid fluctuations between periods of brightness and dimming reveal much about the underlying physics of these stars. While Betelgeuse's brightness is currently higher than usual, it may eventually return to its long-term cycle, but this process remains unpredictable. Some recent observations suggest that Betelgeuse might be nearing the end of its carbon-burning phase, where carbon is converted into heavier elements, setting the stage for its eventual collapse. Heavier elements like oxygen and magnesium are often cited as potential contributors to the future evolution of stars like Betelgeuse. Analysts predict that, given current observations, the star's core could eventually collapse, leading to a massive supernova within the next few hundred years. However, the exact timeline remains uncertain, with many variables still in play. The possibility of Betelgeuse undergoing a supernova is an exciting one, though its potential impact remains unclear. The carbon-burning phase, for instance, could continue for another 1,000 years. Moreover, while studies hint at the star's impending explosion, these findings have yet to be officially published. If Betelgeuse were to explode, it would be an extraordinary event visible even during the day for several days. Initially, the signs would be subtle, with neutrinos passing through Earth, and high-energy photons escaping from the expanding cloud of cosmic debris. Over time, Betelgeuse would brighten dramatically, potentially reaching up to 10,000 to 100,000 times its normal luminosity. Within just a few weeks, it could become bright enough to outshine the Moon, with its peak brightness possibly exceeding 15 to 20 times that of Venus, the second brightest object in the night sky. This event would capture the imagination of anyone fortunate enough to witness it, marking a significant moment in astronomical history. The remnants of the supernova could appear as a brilliant point of light, comparable to a quarter or half of the full moon in the sky. The phenomenon would remain visible for around 100 days, providing an extraordinary opportunity for observers to marvel at the spectacle. Fortunately, Betelgeuse's distance from Earth means that the supernova would pose no threat to humanity, and we would be able to observe the event safely using telescopes. However, such a dramatic event wouldn't go unnoticed. Supernovae have long been seen as ominous signs in various cultures, and Betelgeuse's explosion could spark a wide range of reactions across the globe. It's also likely to reignite public interest in astronomy, awakening many to the wonders of the universe. Betelgeuse isn't the only red supergiant star in our galaxy. There are others, such as Epsilon Carinae, that could also go supernova before Betelgeuse does. In fact, the Milky Way experiences supernovae roughly once every 100 years, but the last one we observed was over 400 years ago. Therefore, a new supernova is overdue, and Betelgeuse may be the next star to give us that spectacular show. Betelgeuse's history is full of dramatic events, including a mysterious dimming episode in late 2019. This sudden decrease in brightness baffled astronomers and fueled speculation about the star's imminent explosion. While its brightness returned to normal by 2020, the cause of the dimming remained unclear until further observations provided some answers. This behavior has made Betelgeuse a prime target for study, as its fluctuations provide valuable insights into the nature of red supergiants and the processes leading to stellar explosions. In recent years, Betelgeuse has once again captured the public's attention with a sudden surge in brightness in 2023. This has sparked renewed curiosity about the star's evolution and the timing of its eventual explosion. Some scientists believe this increase in brightness may signal that the star is nearing the end of its life, while others suggest it could be part of an unexpected but normal phase in its development. Regardless of the cause, these changes provide an exciting opportunity to observe stellar evolution in action. By studying the behavior of stars like Betelgeuse, astronomers can improve their models of stellar life cycles, which ultimately shape our understanding of the universe. Though the exact cause of Betelgeuse's recent fluctuations remains a mystery, its past behavior provides clues. The star has experienced significant variations in brightness over the past few centuries, and such fluctuations are thought to be a natural part of the life cycle of red supergiants. However, the current brightness surge is so unusual that it has triggered a flurry of scientific interest, prompting new investigations into whether it could be a sign of an impending supernova or simply a normal stellar process. In any case, Betelgeuse continues to be a captivating subject for scientific study. Its unpredictable brightness, along with the potential for a supernova, ensures that it will remain a key focus for astronomers and stargazers alike. Whether it's fading or brightening, Betelgeuse's eccentric behavior will continue to intrigue observers, offering valuable insights into the life and death of massive stars. While the supernova may be a distant event that we may not live to see, the data gathered from studying Betelgeuse and similar stars will shape our understanding of the universe for generations to come. For now, both amateur and professional astronomers eagerly keep their eyes on the sky, anticipating the next chapter in the life of this extraordinary red supergiant.